Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So this first one, it looks like someone is making some type of decor for their plants. You can see the plants sitting there on the side. Okay, so they did a macrame technique here. Oh, this is cute. Oh, that is a really cute concept. It's like beautiful hanging macrame plants. I love this idea. So then we move into the next DIY. Now, usually when I see these items, the person is making a chandelier, or they could be making a mirror. Oh, actually they might be making a lampshade. I just thought about it because that does look like a lampshade hoop. So they ended up doing 2 layers here. Oh no, it's definitely... Oh, a ceiling light. Okay, I knew it had to be something along those lines. Wow, that came out amazing. And then we have someone playing around with some peel and stick tile. I love this marble color. This is so pretty. I would never in a million years think that that was peel and stick. So here they are doing some woodwork here, some wainscoting. Adding some more. Oh, they have peel and stick that looks like wood. I've never seen that before. Wow. Whoa, now that was a dramatic makeover. I feel like all the designs she's showing us is like fake it till you make it. Like stuff that used to cost thousands of dollars, you can just buy off of Amazon and peel and stick your way to a beautiful home. Is that what we're doing now? Don't worry about repairing the crack. Just peel and stick and make over your house. Wow, look at that kitchen. And then here she is doing a backsplash. Ooh, I like that black on black. That is really pretty. More of that black marble. Beautiful. I mean, there really are a lot of inspiring ideas here. And I can't believe it's all peel and stick. Like, this is just crazy to me. The thing about it is that you would never sit and look at this and think, oh, that's peel and stick. But wow. All right, so here we have someone making a makeup mirror. Now these can actually be pretty pricey, so DIYing your own is definitely a good idea. Can save you so much money. Okay, so I guess this is what she's doing here. Ooh, so pretty. I wonder if she used contact paper to do the top of the desk or the vanity. That is really pretty. So we have some hoops here. I think this one, oh, I know what they're doing. They're making like those little like stands for their plants or shelves. What do they call this? Like for the hanging planters. This is so pretty. Oh, love it. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.